Coach Luis. Coach Luis, pasin. Coach Luis, Ariscado. 5 minutes lang eh, papunta sa sila.
Nice.
Angelo, palit ko yung score, Angelo, pitch 1B. 1B. Angelo.
Dong. Yung sabla.
Pitch 1B, quarterfinal number 2, Sumpo Calidad versus MFC Cebu Team A. Pitch 1B, quarterfinal number 2, MFC Team A versus Sumpo Calidad. Referee, Sumpo Calidad versus MFC Cebu Team A. Next game, pitch number 3, game number 1 for Mix U12. MFC Cebu Team B versus Corona del Mar. Pitch number 3, Mix U12, game number 1. MFC Cebu Team B versus Corona del Mar. So pitch number 4, next game, game number 2.